Let's start! Jumbo! Unang possession, Jumbo ulit. Kamalakahan, number 4, Masinisi. Shotty the play, number 4, gives the waiting, and the side play, Dagan. Second jumper, Sasabay Karan, down to 30 Sanda. Second shot, puts it up, nothing but the shot. Jumbo nila, Hamsi, at Jairan, Jockey. Ang bola, number 10. Set up the play, number 10. Hahanapin, si number 24. Puts the ball on board. Ang ating official score. Tatawag si number 7. Number 7 kicks it out. Second pass. A shot. A miss. And a rebound. Para sa mga nakakahil. Number 25. Shooting the pass. Number 24. Number 3. Nakakabot siya. Number 7. Number 7 din ako. Kaya nakikita namin kamay ni sa ilalim na lahat. Masinisi. Papasok yan. Second row para kay Santiago. Number 18. Give it to number 34. Manny Ethan, number 34. Pata the back. Para nakakain na naman naman number 31. Give it to Santiago. Santiago. 7 to other middle score. Give it to number 5. Number 5. Picks it out. Top part by the board. Sa ating unang ito, Super na ating official score. Pilkanta, number 25. Bibigay sa kita, number 21. Down to 10, number 10. Number 24. Bibigay sa gila, 7 shot clock. Down to 5. Puts a follow bomb. Nothing but the shot. Basket is in. Number 88. Other official score. Down to 14 of shot clock, number 10. Kicks it out, number 34. Slicing to the lane, number 35. Masinisi. Sa ilalim, number 99. Basket. Down to 16 of shot clock. 14 to shoot. From the middle. In the bracket. Up of 4. Take the pass, Shahiran. 8 to shoot. Another play. Para sa mga makakahal. Look for 2. Number 35, set up. Swing the pass. Stick pass, number 10. Aangat, extra pass. Alis mo ba? 9-18 ang ating official score. Tutukol yan. 4-18. Number 5, isa dito na rin. Tutang naglalang, tumatak sila. Ang mga nakasal na pwede. Stop sila. Basket is free. Yung malapit na paunti-unti. Ang mga nakasal. Sabutan nito. Huwagong Santa. Contested Chaklan. Ano sumabra? 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Sasabay na. Harap-harapan. Number 21, Thailand. Bibigay, para the back. Number 21, big pass. Number 95, Masinisi. Number 8, swing the pass. Number 99, 6 feet 20. Number 35, swing the pass. Thailand, number 31, 14 seconds of clock. Number 34, set 3. Number 8, number 21, basket yan. Swing the pass, number 25. Bibigyan kita. Amok, asya, and a basket. Number 8, Wasika for life. Baka kapita. Intercept the pass. Number 94, Thailand. Okay, Thailand. 38 seconds sa ating unang quarter. Bibigay, number 88. Sasablay, number 21, gating na rebound. Give it to Gabriel. Give it to number 13, Clemente, number 35. Lay up, basket yan. Double digit.
Yurasa.
Sasablay ka lang, shot clock number 22, basket is in. 29-20. Give it to Clemente. Sige na lang number 24. Masyado na wala yung number 21. Basket. Set up for 3. Ang team Dahilan. Number 35. Is na lang. Good for 2. Kalita, Prima, number 88, comes to the shot clock, saves back, and save whistle! Kagat ng press, sasalingan. Bukal na ubus na. Ang balang number 4, number 88, gives number 22. Sasablay nga lang, 1-6-43 ang aming kalangan. 1 minute and 55 seconds, number 20, give it to Clemente. Clemente serving the floor. Shot to Martin of shot clock to number 35. Give it low. Back at pass. Over to the ladder. Give and go. Basket is in. 57 seconds. Makakawala na naman. Naubos na ata. Number 13. 14 seconds shot clock to the Cruz. Starting number 24. Lalapit na konti. Basket sa rin. 27-26, number 8, number 35, iba naman ang presto, sasablay ka lang, 43 seconds, Clemente, number 30, 30 is for Pipe, give it the pass, number 34, contest the 3, shot clock, number 88, 15 seconds, short of foul, at the one of bola, number 35, 10 seconds, after foul, 5 seconds. Mapasok na lang yan at forget ka pa. Swing the pass, set up, number 6, Mopik, lalapit, kumalaman, sasablay. Clemente, hawak ng rebound. Santa Play, number 31, hanapin na kanya kaibigan, number 30, sasablay nga lang, kumata ko na, ang panganakasul, Granit Galvin, alat na slide, sasablay nga lang yan. Uy, sino? Ready to shoot, number 30, serving the floor, dito sa Thailand, another Thailand, ipangalan. Kumata ko na ang panganakasul, Steve Granmore. Give it to number 32, swing the pass, number 35. Down to 16 shot clock, number 88. Back ribs out, number 31 for Bigland. Forward pass, second end of number 32, number 32. Kabila naman, number 21. Kala ko, isasalta.
Nahiya pa.
Number 30, swing the pass, Thailand, number 4. Give it to number 31, he skips it up, and he skips it in. 31-32, number 32 naman, mag-aalaan. Backdoor pass, number 6. Taon tayo, swing the pass, number 35, sasablay. 8 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. Number 13, pass, Thailand, puts it up, and puts it! Number 88, Marinillas, ganda depensa, hindi ka kaya. Number 30, 7 minutes and 37 seconds. Santa Cruz, Pamanda, aangat, basket is in.
Bilis na ito.
Number 22, makakawala. Kung ang hirap ng basketball. Sa kabila, ang pagkalit, natin naman sa pass, another pass, and service play, basket is in. First up on the ring, number 6. 6 minutes and 33. Number 31. Pagkalit sa tayo mga. Number 4. Hook shot. Number 88. Para kita drama. Number 22. Basket is in. 75, 48. Pompey, number 4, Masakyan. Unang gusto. Second jumper.
Oo, si ano yan?
Number 10, Rodrigo de Santorias. Bumigay ginagawa. Slicing to the lead. Power shot. Sasablay. Number 7, Johnny Garima. Magayala. 14 seconds at left. Kahilan. Makakawala. Kahilan na lang. Number 6, Raulto. Basket yan. Okay. Maraming donation. Ang ating kalaan, malapit na tayo sa ating halfway mark ng ating laro. Sigilid si number 34, number 34. 16 to shoot, sasablay, follow through, basket is 6 seconds. 14 seconds shot left, so the pass, number 34. Over the Torado, number 1, baka kapay pa walang bola yan. Umata ko na, number 88, showing the dribbling skills. Shooting guy, number 94, another pass. Rubber foul, number 6, power rebound. 14 to shoot, number 34. Takes it out, number 8. One dribble pull up. Courtesy of number 88, 44, with 3. Ball to the side, 30 seconds. Number 10, TPS Sacarias. Fourth shot. Tumatak ko na. Ang nakalamasong si Bala sa isa, number 94. Basket is 3. Boundary nila shot clock. Check na nila sa number 24. Number 24, hindi mawala. Ibigay, another dialogue. Basket yan. Kung ayaw sa labay. 55, 46. Number 88. Sana walang press. Ball pass. Number 1. Number 94, free ball. Rosa. Shot up for play. Number 8. Pakatalo mo yan. Sasabay ba? Sabot. Shooting the pass. Number 24. Sasabay yan. Throw the line to the time. Aling kalaman yan. Sasali si number 10. Juan Lapatira.
Shoutout mo to. TP.
Swing the pass. Check yan.
Pagbalik mo doon.
Number 4. Basket is 3. That was Paula. Monstro, sasablayan. 51-55. Number 4, free ball. Run of foul. Apat na laban. Uy, kabuang wala. Sige, bigyan. Number 25, number 31. Basket is 3. 57-51. Down to 7 na kailangan po nila number 21, number 34, BPS. Left pass, number 7, skips it up, basket. 52-57, Tahilan, open lane. Sasabay na, dapat pa ito rebound, dalawa sila magkakaroon. 12 minutes and 3 seconds, number 7. Bibigay. Babay na sa dalawa yan. Sa ilalim. Pantabayan, 160. Number 34, give it to number 1, number 1. Give it to number 4, number 4. Put the ball, Sasablay. Battle for the ball, number 10. Chop it in, number 1, number 21. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 7, Polakay, Basunisi. 53 seconds, over the right. Good for 2, by number 10. 18 solution left, number 10. Set up, 160. Bam! Very 60-59, and those ball left. 48 seconds, number 31. Basket is in. Balik na kagalabang. Number 10, grabbing the ball. Number 31. Basket is in. Wala na kayong shot clock. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Basket yan. 5 seconds. Bibigay, Thailand. Sa gilid, number 21. Number 21, swing the pass. Sasablay na lang. Thailand, open lane. Grabe ka. Pag-amin na. Sasablay, number 35, pass to the seat. 67-70. Number 21. Set up. Number 24. Bibigay. Number 25. Extra pass. Number 13. One more foul. Ito na mga kalabangan. Nakakama. Naka-orange. Give it to number 21. Drop pass. Kick out pass. 14 sa shot clock. For the guy. One more foul. Number 99, Sasamay, number 21. Give it to number 13, 14 sa shot clock. Down to 10. Number 95. Wala ka. Nakatayo lang sa number 22. Number 95, slice into the D. Patak ka. Number 2. Number 25, Kadamet, Senis, number 99. Number 10. Number 13. Naganti ng mga wala, Thailand. Tapos sila sandak, tapos sa gilid. Serving the ball, Galapros. Alat, that's what you see. Seven, number 67, number 88. Give it to number 21, Babak na. Bata na back, same ball. Bibigay sa gitna. Count the 40 na shot clock for 3. Ramos out. Number 4. Number 35, this is number 24. Bata na hand, critical play. Number 25. Basket yard. Number 24, Thailand. Set up. Down to 40 of shot clock. Number 13, give it to number 25. Number 25, crossing to the basket. Sasablay. Copying out, 14 to shoot. Number 21. Number 20 basket, number 28. Alat, number 21. Babangga. Bibigay, number 7. Basket kick. Sasablay, sinublay tuloy. Ito talaga, oh. 74-71. Ball na rin, sasablay na rin. Tapos sinasanda, number 7. Sasablay na rin. At 12-7, 16-7 sanda. Number 35. Give it to Thailand. Test the play. Sasablay na rin. Alit na minuto ang lalabig. Number 25. Five minutes and 14 seconds. Starting third quarter. Swing the pass. 4-3. Sasablay. Tapikan yung kanina naman nakakahelang-helang ang bola. Number 21. Now 18 ang shot back. Number 24, check the shot. PPF. Number 21, shoot Edgar Sala. Kakari na tubla. Ang mga namasol. Kantang sa doon. Sasablay na kalang. Kakaprak. Number 7. Basket to see. Tabla na. Susunod wala lamang. Seles. Formalit. Basket to see. 18 seconds shot back. Para Probla. Basket yan. All 77. Set is the net. So Johnson will the shoot. Forward pass. All 77. Number 21. Babak na. Back. Arat. Basket is in. Number 88. One shot. Basket yan. 7-9-0. Number 21, give it to number 25. Number 25, pasok na bigyan yan. Number 27, kahanapin. Number 24, hindi na makawala. Contested yan. Ako ball, sabi. Sasablay ka lang. For pass, basket is Bibigay number 25, number 25. Number 25, try ito si number 24, fourth shot. Sasablay na. Maaagaw na, number 21. Basket is Number 8, Derek Sebastian. Basket is 47 shot clock. Number 24. Lamang dala. Skip it out. Sasablay. Number 21. Basket is Seeing the pass, number 7. Susubukan na natin ang time. Long through. Basket is 88-85. Number 25. Bahama by number 24. Pagsakpo mo lang! Bisa na lang binibilang sa gilid. Bounce pass number 6. Basket is 1 minute and 18 seconds. Lalabing isa na. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Give it to number 7. Number 7. Laban din ang dress. Balik na mo. 14 seconds shot clock. Under limit. 8 seconds shot clock. Number 8. 5 seconds shot clock. Basket is 89-94. Zacarias. Down to 14 shot clock. Number 13. Give it to number 24. Lalapit na. Bounce pass. Step pass na. Bendira. 30 seconds. Bounce pass. Number 7. Lilian. Sasablay ka lang. Wala lang kayong shot clock. Number 21. Paglalapit na lang. 16 seconds. 14 seconds. Number 88. Trapas pa. 5 seconds. Babasa na lang. Next one possession. Para sa FAS. Keep that card muna tayo. Number 7. Set up. 40 to shoot. Longtime niya. Hindi tatama. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 88. 7 seconds shot clock. Sasablay nga lang. Unipaw. Miss Paola. Sasablay nga lang. Number 10. Sasablay nga lang. Foul tayo. Number 10. Give it to number 3 for the line, number 31. At the line 4. Number 25. Set up, number 25. Balik na bet. Sa ilalim. Balik na naman. Number 5. Puts it up. Basket is in.
Laki.
Ignacio. Basket is in. Number 4. Number 21. Number 4. Sasablay. Number 7. Number 4. Number 21. Number 3. Lamang tama. Ang team Denver. Foul. Number. Basket.
Morning glory. Ballers. Balik kami dyan.
Basket is in. Jalan. Number 8, set up. Give us a look at the floor. For the left. Lamang naman ang hit. Jet ball. Kabutang ito. PPM. Kadawad. Kabutang ito. Oh, ayun. Ikaw pa yan. Ikaw rin pa yan. Sasablay ka yan. Kabutay. 14 seconds lang. Ating kabutang ito. Basket is in. 1-3, 100. 7 minutes and 16 seconds. Top of the board. 2 minutes and 8. 4-3. Top of the board. Give us level the board. Top of the board dahil lang. Hindi na mawala sa poste. Number 5. It's good for us. 1-6, 1-2. Top of the 8. Kakamit na Johnny. Rebound. Forward pass. Ayaw ka siya. Ito mo ng Lord. Rose sa Tasyan. 6 minutes and 33. Number 88. Quick and big. Number 88. Piso game. Sasablay. 6 minutes and 21. Basket pass. Basket is in. Number 10. 1-4, 1-6. Number 4. 4-3. Nakauna naman si Number 5. Isa sa play. Number 8, last one. Pasablay. Number 10. Acknowledge timeout. Time Thailand. Number 4, pipilitan. Atapaw. Sabay. Sabay. Number 2, Zagdak. Number 8, swing the pass. Number 25. Pass na naman. 1-4. 18 seconds na top Pirata. Bibigay. Patatabek. Babalik sa poste. Pangkal sa baba, holding foul. Number 5 again. Hahanapin talaga sa poste si number 5. Number 5. Clearing the ball. Basket is in. Number 21. Basket is in.
Taas sa bilis niya. Oo. Lalaki to eh.
Basket is in. Halit ng yarang. Fourteen seconds on that. Number 8, number 4. Sasabay. Number 5, 14 seconds on that. Ignacio. 10 seconds on that. Number 5. Sasabay. 140, 108, 4 minutes and 14 minutes live. Gagawa ng balaan. Bibigay sa poste. Tatawang ahead. Apat na ang bantay. 4 minutes and 5. Wala po situation. Gagawin na sa alam ng more. Basket is in. Abang ng more. Baka kawala. Sasabay ka. Learning the rebound. Number 88, Bibilisan, number 21, nakalapin ang liga, number 1, Sasabay. Number 30, number 4, Sasabay na. Kung na ubos na, Pagasit. 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 116, 108. Laban ng Nintendo, 10 seconds shot clock. John Tunay, swinging your pass, 4-3. Sasablay pa rin. Number 5, clearing the rebound. Give it to number 24. To number 21, to number 5. Basket is in. Down to 16 na shot clock. Number 8, counting the clock. Anim lamang ang nakalamangan. 10 seconds to shoot. Down to eight. Held ball 3, number 5. Tumatakbo na naman. Sinunabot na naman. Number 5. Susubukan. Ang angas. Basket is lead. Second shot clock. Good ball. Down to 14. Number 35. 8-second shot clock. Down to 5. Size of play alarm. 2 minutes and 8. Number 21. Lerek Kala. Number 24. Saba. 14 shot clock. Sasablay. Clearing the lead out. Number 24. Forecast. Final alarm. 114, 116, number 88, Rapas, number 7, Basket is lead. Forecast, Pascal Judge. Number 21, skips it up, number 5, Captain Knight, Pascal.
Twin Tower, laki.
116, 118. 14 seconds shot clock. Down to 10. Number 35. Pagkakalaan. 5-second shot clock. 460 shots. Sasablay. Number 35. Pagkakatakon. 1 minute. Hanapin. Sa gilid. Number 5. Number 5. Sasablayan. 50 seconds. Break number 2. Ang alasan. Forecast number 8. Susunod. Basket is in. 24 seconds. 120, 116. Sa cross play. Ang malatawgan, number 7.
120, 116, 37 seconds.
Bumustayan.
117.
Second
Grabe score
play.
nun.
Bumustayan yan.
118, dalawa.
37 seconds. Isa na lang ang time of the Denmark sa kabila wala na. 27 seconds. 12 shot clock down to 10. 8 seconds shot clock. Down to 5.